The Inspect Anything app allows you to easily capture inspection details and then share completed reports. Streamline inspections by using Inspect Anything on your mobile device to improve accuracy, efficiency, significantly cut down your report writing time, and bring in more business. Let's see how the app works. From the Reports tab, click New Report. The location is taken automatically if you allow access to it. Fill in the details. Add items. Add photos. And scan a barcode or QR code, if any, and hit Save. With the speech-to-text feature, you can speak your answers versus typing them. Additionally, the app memorizes your previous entries, so you could select from them. Once you fill out the report, you can preview it or email to the client directly. Hit Go. The app will generate the Excel and PDF file that you can easily share with anyone. The report is also stored in the app for quick access. The Inspect Anything app is available for free download from Apple and Google stores. The links can be found in the description to this video. This app can be customized to meet your specific business needs. Just contact us at support@snappy.com if you have any questions.